So in this example, we're going to use a change of base formula to write the log of 25 to the power of 6 as a common log. Now, before we begin, you have to remember common log is a log to the base 10. Okay? And generally, we just write that as a log without any base showing. So if you see log without any base showing, it's log to the base 10 or common log. And the formula that we're going to use here, the log of 25 to the base 6, is simply to get the common log of 25. So you have the option of writing a little 10 here as the base or leaving it out. And generally, if it's common logs, we leave it out. So log of the main number over the log of the original base. Okay? So the log of 25 to the power of 6, or sorry, to the base 6 is equal to log of 25, common log of 25, over the common log of 6. Now, if you wanted to, you could look that up on your calculator, but we weren't asked to here, so we're just going to leave it like this. But there is a log button, a common log button in your calculator, LOG. If you just put that expression into your calculator, it will give you your final answer. Okay? Thanks for watching.